Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a cool vignette effect using Canva. And the best thing is that we don't have to use any third-party tool because this feature is natively available in the platform. So the vignette effect is very popular because it's very simple and yet it's powerful. It's kind of giving an emotion to the image. So vignette effect is essentially just adding a dark gradient at the surrounding area or the edges of the photo, and therefore it will make the center of the photo look brighter, and therefore people will naturally draw their attention to it. So it's a simple but effective effect, and this is how you can apply that to a photo in Canva. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is you have to click on the image and you can click edit. And after that, go to adjust and scroll to the bottom, and you'll see on the texture section there is a parameter called vignette. Now you can drag it to the right to add some vignette effect to that photo. So as you can see, if I set it to 100%, I can see the area surrounding this dog looks darker because this dog is in the center while the edges look way darker, and therefore it's creating a focus. And I think it's pretty cool. But of course, we can go beyond that. If you really want to make the center to be way better, then here's how you can do it. I'm going to apply a new technique to this second photo, which is the same photo but a different technique. So click on the image again, go to edit, and go to adjust again. And for the select area, you want to select just the background. So if there is a picture of a person or a dog or a tree or basically anything that is positioned in the middle, then you want to select this option, the background. That means we are going to apply the vignette effect only at the background, so the main subject of the photo will not be affected. Okay, after that, go to vignette again, and you want to increase this number maybe to 100%. And this is the result. And as you can see, I think it is safe to say that the second picture is way better than this picture. The vignette effect is still there, but it's not obstructing this dog. So the center or the subject of the photo is still very bright, and it is just much better than this traditional method. So anyway, that's how you can add a vignette effect to a photo in Canva. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.